Hi and welcome to my new video. This time I would like to show you a new visual component added to Spark UI. So if you remember, in Spark 3.0 we got a quite exciting feature, which is the structured streaming tab, so that you can visualize everything happening with your streaming application exactly like you could do by the past if you used Spark Streaming. In this new release 3.1, we have a new component there, which represents the statistics of State Store. And in this video, I would like to show you what does it mean, statistics of the State Store. So to demonstrate that, I will use this quite sample code where I will produce some events to metrics demo topic. I will of course do some quite easy projection, and later I will deduplicate the rows with the watermark, and later at the end I will print everything to the console. So let me first start the broker. So that's my repo. So I was in this. So the broker is starting, and now I will get my demo code and create the metrics demo topic and also start the producer almost immediately. Okay, so it's ready, and now I will start this consumer, and also when it starts I will open Spark UI, which will be obviously executed on my local host. Where are we? So the first microbatch is there, and we should be able to see the Spark UI. So you can see that we already have it, and that's this tab part added in Spark 3.0. And if we click on it, you can see that we have the things or the blocks that were present in Spark.0, but also we have something new, which is the State Store metrics part. So to illustrate the changes, I will produce now some data. So I will take the first event that will move the watermark at 10:15. So we processed it correctly. And as you can see, we can observe that we have a new row in our State Store, meaning that obviously we have only one row in this State Store. You can also see that we use a bit much more memory than previously. Of course, it's quite obvious because we added some data. So now I will add a late event that will not be integrated in the app, and also that will not be integrated in the State Store. You can see that we still have a one row in the State Store, and we still use the same amount of memory. So now I will do something else, but this time also we will ignore this event because you can see that it's a duplicate, and of course we didn't return it, and on the UI we still have one record. Now it's time to move the watermark, so I will add an event that will move the watermark to 11:16. So you can see that it was printed on the screen, and we can also check the State Store metrics. So remember, we had one record. At this moment we had two records, meaning that we had our first and the new record. But after that, because the watermark moved on and the watermark invalidated the row that was the event that was stored there, you can see that we have once again one record which corresponds to the new record we added just a minute ago. And now I will add a late event just to verify whether it's not integrated as the previous events. And you can see that it's not the case. We still have a single record in our stream. And globally, that's all about this new state store metrics feature, but it's not alone. You can check what changed in structured streaming in the article which is linked in the description of this video. It was Bartosz Konieczny from waitingforcode.com. Thanks for watching.